Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to solder two LED strips together, how to solder wires to a LED strip, and even how to solder two strips 90 degrees. Alright, first things first, we need to expose the LED strip. Most strips have a silicone cover protecting the LED and copper pads. We can't just cut anywhere we want. LED strips have specific cut lines, those tiny copper pads with scissor icons on them, that's our target zone. Once we made a clean cut, right on that mark, we'll need to carefully remove just enough of the protective silicone to access the copper pad. Now we've got full access to rework and make solid connections. Here's a key tip. Don't just solder onto the pads. Instead, hit the pad, then feed the solder and let it flow naturally. That's how you get a clean, shiny connection between both strips. Once everything is aligned, use a bit of tape to hold them steady so your hands are free. Make sure the copper pads line up. This means positive to positive and ground to ground. And the arrows should all point in the same direction. For this project you need a soldering kit, X-Acto knife and hookup wires, a LED strip of your choice, and helping hands kit is optional. I am using red for positive. Make sure you twist the wires for better connection. Yellow for data, and black wire for negative. The technique is the same. First, thin the wire by applying a small amount of solder until it fully wicks into the strands. You're aiming for an even, shiny coat, not a thick blob. This step prevents fraying, improves conductivity, and helps the solder flow instantly when you make the final connection. Always hit the wire first and let it pull the solder in. If it's not soaking in, the wire is not hot enough. If you're enjoying the tutorial, consider dropping a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the pad on the LED strip itself rather than melting solder directly onto it. When both the wire and the pad are hot enough, bring them together and let the solder flow naturally between them. You don't want to force the solder with the iron. The heat from the components should do the work. This ensures a solid electrical connection and prevents weak or cold joints. Now let's make 90-degree connection between LED strips. We will solder short wires between the strips and bend them to a clean right angle to keep the layout sharp. It's a simple trick that keeps corners tidy without stressing the copper pads. Well, this did not turn out how I wanted, so I searched for a cleaner and easier solution, and I found these solderless 90-degree LED strip connectors. They let you make perfect corners in seconds with no soldering at all. There are also solderless extension connectors, which make it super easy to connect multiple LED strips together without touching a soldering iron.